Hey there, Generella Realty here, not just your local realtor, but also your local resource guide with a Father's Day edition of What's Up Wednesdays. Kicking it off with a little sad note that we had to put down our Miss Regina girl on Monday. She's 16 and it was just time for her to cross the Rainbow Bridge. Tough for any pet lover to have to put their pets down, but with the thanks to Paws to Help of Jupiter, they were super caring, super sensitive, took their time, gave us our time as needed with Miss Reggie in her final moments, and highly recommend them to anyone else, not just for the sad moments, but for regular veterinary visits. It's half the cost of most actual vet visits. So Pause to Help in Jupiter for any of your pet needs moving forward. Father's Day, there's 3 different events I'm going to highlight. The first one is sponsored by The Gathering of the Palm Beach County. It's a Father's Day fishing trip. It's on Saturday. It's chartered with Living on Island Time Drift Fishing, which is a custom 60-foot walk-around AC drift fishing boat located at the Palm Beach Yacht Center in Hypoluxo. It's $50 per person. It includes gear, bait, and licensing if that's needed. You can bring your own rods if you choose. On Sunday for Father's Day in Delray at Throw Social is free entry, no reservations required. Sunday brunch, bottomless mimosas and brews, beer chugging contest with prizes, and games galore. So you can get down there with Dad and do some Father's Day festivities. At Brick and Barrel in Downtown Abacoa, it's brunch, bourbon in the back 9. They will have a brunch buffet, bottomless mimosas and beers, and will be streaming the US Open on all TVs, including their 120-inch big screen. So that's going to be a lot of fun too. You can also do watch parties for the Panthers. Let's go Cats! Panthers are down 2 and we got 2 to go. Let's go Cats. They play tomorrow at 8, again on home ice. We had our victory on Monday, 6-1 against the Oilers. So let's go. We could do it. Go Cats, go. And my final quote to end the day is, anyone can be a father, but it takes someone special to be a dad. I hope you all have a wonderful and fun-filled Father's Day weekend. We will be in the Keys. Karissa and I will be hosting an open house at the location we did last time at 82260 Overseas Highway. It's a 3-3 at 1.15. If you're interested, come on down, check out our open house, or give us a call. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to y'all soon.